In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Binance Smart Chain wallet using Metamask, all within just 5 minutes. Whether you're diving into the world of crypto for the first time, or you're a seasoned enthusiast, setting up your wallet correctly is crucial for managing and interacting with Binance Smart Chain tokens. So let's get started. First off, you need to open your Metamask app, which is an essential tool for interacting with blockchain networks through its user-friendly interface. Once inside, look for and tap the option that says Create a Wallet. This is your gateway to unlocking the potential of blockchain technology, so making sure this step is done correctly is quite important. The next step involves setting a strong password. Choose something you'll remember, but make sure it's not easy for others to guess. You'll also need to save your secret recovery phrase safely. This phrase is your lifeline to accessing your wallet if you ever forget your password or need to recover your account. Write it down and store it somewhere secure, avoiding digital notes which can be compromised. With your wallet created, focus your attention on the top left of the app where you'll find a drop-down arrow. Tap this arrow and from the list of options select Add a Custom Network. This is where you'll configure your wallet to interact specifically with Binance Smart Chain. Now let's enter some details that are necessary for configuring the Binance Smart Chain. First, enter the network name as BNB Smart Chain. This helps identify the network you're accessing amidst potentially many others you might add in the future. You'll then enter the RPC URL. Type in https://bsc.datac.binance org/, which is a crucial element as it enables your wallet to communicate effectively with the Binance Smart Chain network. Next comes the chain ID. Enter the number 56. This is unique to Binance Smart Chain and allows Metamask to distinguish it from other blockchains. For the symbol, type BNB. This is the native cryptocurrency of Binance Smart Chain, which you'll use for transactions and smart contract interactions. Lastly, input the Block Explorer URL as https://bscscan.com. Block Explorers are valuable resources for checking transactions and other detailed information about blockchain activity, so it's handy to have this set up. Once all these details are in place, simply tap Save. Congratulations, you now have a fully functional Binance Smart Chain wallet within Metamask. You're ready to start exploring the vast world of decentralized finance and digital assets. Whether it's trading, investing, or exploring decentralized apps, your wallet is all set to handle it. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you confidently expand your cryptocurrency endeavors.